For my friend's birthday, I'll make a viral Dubai chocolate cake. I thought I could do it, but in reality, oops, lots of mistakes. Will it turn out the way I imagined? Before the cake, there was a whole day to prepare.
Yeah. Can I get a sushi grade salmon?
Okay, how much did you need? Were you early?
When everyone is finally asleep, it's time to get the salmon ready. This is the umami-rich salmon I've been wanting to share with you, my Sikku.
Famous salmon, 진짜.
Yay!
Too spicy. So it wasn't coming out.
Happy birthday! Thank you.
Oh yeah. And then we just keep still magnet though. There's a lot more room here. Oh, the Christmas tree.
너무 좋아할 것 같은데 내가.
You want the wrap? Was the search for Kit Kat ice cream from either is you not from
나도 해도 돼요?
Wow.
오케이. 여기 일로 와. 짠. 해피 birthday. 해피 birthday. 썸네일 나왔어.
Gotta like go like this, and then it's got fins, and so yeah, like.
와 이거 진짜
No,
무슨
and-
광고
well,
컷
we bought
같다.
it at the same time. I think it's the same.
와.
너무 많아? 확 나? 그래. 괜찮아? 이게 맞자. 그래? 와 지금 와 이거 광고야. 와우. 와. 썸네일. Birthday to you. Make a wish.
오케이.
Okay. Not bad, not bad. 오. 근데 왜 이거 왜 이렇게 가분수지?
아 그래요?
Dear my friend, flamingos lose their pink when they raise their babies, and it turned pink again. Maybe we're in the season 2, raising, learning, becoming, and slowly the pink comes back.
엄마,